Hi guys, it's me again, and today I have something new for you. I call this the survival Minecraft bunker. Now, as you can see over here, let's just get started. There's nothing, right? But if you stand upon this block and then I throw any item in the wall over there, you see it opens. Just some redstoning, and if I didn't mean to break that, let me just put it back. I was supposed to remove the item from the chest, and then you would see that it has closed. Then we can head down here through ladders, and there's a normal, piston door. Then over here, you have nothing. You can furnish it if you want. You can come here, and then you have this slime block elevator. You press this button, takes you down. You have to be a bit fast. Now if you come here, the first thing you'll do is come here, right? Then you'll realize that you see land is for nothing, but that's not for nothing. I will show you what that is for in just a minute. Then this is the nuclear chamber. Like if there's a meteorite attack, you can hide over here in this bunker. So you have to be pretty clean, no radioactive particles allowed. So as soon as you enter, you get washed down with a stream of water. Over here again, you have a whatever equipping station. Then you can come here, and you have this. And this is nothing over here. I have not decided to build anything. This is just a secret hideout. And also, you can use this as a prank, like if you whatever those two over there. So people will just come here, go over there, and then realize that they're trapped now, because there would be no of this. But that's for some later time. I won't do that. So you can go here, and yeah. I did not. What's wrong with me today and breaking blocks? Now if you come here through the door again, you might realize there's no way to really go up, but you see this. This is a ventilation system, so no dirty air goes into here, and you can get in it. So you might think the air from there is coming here now, but not, because there's another door, and that's how there's going to be a maze of these over here, and that's a pretty big maze. So you climb up the ladder, another one, But then now as we get closer to ground, we're getting closer to the surface, which is a bit more dirtier, so we need some more precautious measures. So over here, we use like this, okay? Still going, and now, by the way, as you can see, you can't go back. Even in the doors one, you can't go back. It's a one-way route. And now, for the final one, is over here. And now you see what these two are. And then, after you have done whatever you needed to do in the bunker, the meteorite shower has passed, or the asteroid attack, meteorite showers are good. You can head up to the thing, why am I saying thing so many times? The elevator, come here, you can then just simply walk here, go up on the ladder, press, I didn't mean to jump out of the ladder, just climb the ladder, okay? As I said, just climb the ladder and press this button, it opens up, and you're outside. And from outside, you get no clue that there is anything over there. So yeah guys, I hope you liked it. So just a quick reminder, just throw that there, and instead of breaking the minecart, just take the item out. and then it will close. That's what you're supposed to do. So anyways, yeah guys, what can I say now? Bye. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want a tutorial, I might give, but like not the whole thing in like separate parts. Okay, so yeah, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And really, if you were even with the elytra, I don't think you would realize that there's a base underneath you. So yeah, bye guys. Bye.